To measure blood oxygen level using your Apple Watch, first of all, you will have to start by opening All Apps screen and go into the Apps Store. Right now we have to go for the search, and we get like two options. We can use keyboard or we can use voice search. I can recommend you to use voice search because the keyboard is like really small, it's hard to type on it. Blood oxygen. Input that phrase, and after that click search in the right upper corner. Now as you can see, we have to download that blood oxygen application. This is the application from Apple, their official application. You can actually check this information by clicking on it, and here we can find the developer. As you can see, it's made by Apple. So it's available on the Apple Watch Series 6 or later. Now we have to just open this one, and we have to properly put the device on our wrist. So we have to get snug fit above your wrist bone. Make sure to put it tight, and also make sure that you don't have any tattoos over here, because it will give you not the best results. Now once you actually open this one, we have to click on the start button, and we have to just sit down, calm down, and wait for final result. It will take around a few moments. There we go. And as you can see, in my case, this is the 99%. And we can view our all blood oxygen measurements in the health application on our iPhone. If you click on the learn more, then you can find a description about this one. So yeah, that's all. I hope you find it useful.